Guangzhou Hihaus Building Materials Company Limited, as one of the trusted and recommended brand of windows and doors, curtain walls, Hihaus has supplied custom-made products for projects around the world. We also passed the test of AAMA. Hihaus is the flagship brand of high-end aluminum doors and windows. Our factory established in 2004, having now 17 years of experience in providing China's branding products. Hihaus insists adhered to the brand concept of integrity, product quality, insist that we must keep that as a priority. Our factory located in Foshan, China, with production facilities of 123,000 square meters. We had honored as the leader of China Doors and Windows Integration Revolution. Our factory, using industry-leading production equipment from Italy, has a manufacturing team with 10 years of production experience, which can solve kinds of technical difficulties in the production process and ensure the products of stable quality in every aspect of design, materials cutting, surface treatment.